this video, we're going to go over how to convert a fraction to a percent. So if I were to give you 3 over 4 and I asked you to convert it to a percent, how would you do that? Well, your first step is going to be to divide the numerator by the denominator. So 3 divided by 4 is equal to 0.75. And so we can write that next to the fraction sign. 3 over 4 is equal to 0.75. And now what I want you to do is I want you to multiply the decimal by 100 or move the decimal place 2 places to the right. So 1, 2. And that's going to make our final answer 75. And then don't forget to add the percent sign, and our final answer is 75%. Now let's try one more problem, but this time pause the video and try it on your own. But now I'm going to ask you to convert 1 over 5 to a percent. So our first step is going to be 1 divided by 5, which is going to be equal to 0.2. And we can write that next to the fraction. 1 over 5 is equal to 0.2. And now I'm going to have you multiply by 100 or move the decimal place 2 places to the right. So 1, 2. And so there's going to be an imaginary 0 here for a placeholder. And that means that our final answer is going to be equal to 20. And make sure you don't forget to add the percent sign. 20% is our final answer. So key tip, remember you go fraction, and then you go decimal, and then lastly you have percent. And a common mistake students will make is they'll forget to multiply by 100 or move the decimal place 2 places over to the right. And that's a crucial mistake because you'll just stay in a decimal. That's not a percent. To get a percent, you have to multiply the decimal by 100. I hope this video helped. Thank you.